welcome back to another video. So today I decided to do a what's in my fridge haul. I know I have been getting a lot of requests on Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, it's my first and last name, Courtney Hollingsworth, with 2 underscores. I'll put it right here so you guys can follow me on the gram. On the other day on Instagram, I actually posted a video on just like quick easy meals to make, and also what I bought for my juicing and things of that nature. And a lot of people was actually DMing me interested to know what the heck is in your girl fridge. So if you want to know what's in my refrigerator and also my cabinet, stick around. This is going to be a, what is this? This is going to be a grocery haul. I've been cleaning for 3.5 hours, so this is the only time to do it while my refrigerator's already neat, while my cabinets are pretty tidy. So I might as well record this video right now, and let's hop right into this video. Okay, so I don't know if we should start in the freezer or the refrigerator. I don't know. Let's start in the freezer. So right here, oh, I gotta take this out because I'm making this for dinner. This is actually shrimp. I bought some like shrimp, and then also I have some edamames. Okay, so to the ones that are new to my channel and don't know too much about me, I am pescatarian, so I do not eat meat. So this right here is some plant-based sausage. I've never tried this before, so let's see how this tastes. Also got some Beyond Meat sausage. This is really good. I know how this tastes. I love eating this as a breakfast sausage. And then I do have some also plant-based, what is this? Plant-based ground, I don't want to say ground beef. You know what I'm trying to say. You can make this as tacos, meatballs, whatever you want to do. And then I also have some more sausage, some like vegan sausage, some edamames. Guys, if you didn't watch my other video, you guys know I am obsessed with this plant-based roasted turkey burger. Fire. And then I do have some spinach and cheese. Oh my god, these are so fire. I wish I can show you, but anyways, it has like, I wish it wasn't like as frozen, but these are really good. These are like it's like a pasta, and it has cheese in the inside, and then the noodle is spinach. And then also has some salmon. Guys, you remember these? If you remember these, please put it in a comment section below if you guys remember eating these as a kid. I was kind of upset because they didn't have the bigger kind, and they're like, they only have the small kind. But if you guys remember that, put it in a comment section below if you guys used to eat that as a child. I also have some corn. I do have some Maryland style crab cakes. I've never tried these. I'm actually really excited to try these. And then I have some more plant-based ground, I don't want to say ground beef, but I have some more plant-based meat that you can make out of tacos. Okay, and let's get into the refrigerator. I wanted to do the freezer first because it was only a little bit in there, but let's get into my refrigerator. So guys, you know I am obsessed with drinking water. That's all I drink. I don't drink juice. I don't drink sodas. If I do drink juice, it's very seldom. Very seldom. But I don't buy a lot of juice. So right here, I do have some avocado butter. This is also plant-based. And then I also have some regular butter in here as well. Water. Your basic necessities, I forgot what you call it. It's not necessities. It's actually called, oh my god, what is it called? Condiments. Yeah, there we go. So I got some red wine, vinaigrette, cooking red wine. This will be a lot to go through, but you guys know what condiments are, okay? You guys get an idea. And this right here, guys, I'm kind of, okay, don't judge me. I've never tried this creamer, and it's called Cinnamon Dulce Latte. I was debating even getting this because dairy messes my stomach up so bad. This actually has milk in it, and I haven't drank milk in so long, and this really caught my attention when I was at the store. It's the Starbucks brand. So it's a coffee creamer, so hopefully my stomach does not hurt. I'm going to start off with a little bit when I do pour it into my coffee, but usually I get like oat milk or like almond milk creamer to put in my coffee. Right here I have some Parmesan cheese because guys, I will be making some mashed potatoes with Parmesan cheese in it. It's going to be fire. And then also, I don't know if you guys know, but Starbucks has like this this grilled cheese, sourdough grilled cheese, and I want to make that. So my homegirl, she told me that she puts Parmesan cheese in her butter, and then she starts to put the sourdough bread inside the butter with the Parmesan cheese, and then on top of that add more cheese. Oh my god, your girl is going to be cheesed out. I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast, but I'm trying to get through this section of the fridge. Okay, so yeah, I got some Parmesan cheese. Now in here I have all of my fruits and veggies. Right here I have some cucumbers for my juicing, and I also have some regular potatoes, and then I also have here some red potatoes. I will be using my red potatoes for my mashed potatoes. And then I have onions, and then in this drawer, guys, I have just my green apples, and then I have more water. Right here I have my whole carrots, and then my, what is this, spinach. This is going to be for my juicing. And then I told myself 2020 I want to eat more fruits and veggies. So right here I have some organic beets. These are the orange beets, and then I also have the purple beets as well. I'll be making a juicing video to show you guys how I use that. Be on the lookout for that video, guys, because if you're really into juicing, it's so healthy. I'll just show you guys some tips and tricks that I use to make my juices taste so delicious. Also, I have some fresh strawberries. They're actually humongous. I want to show you guys how big these are. Look how huge these strawberries are. And right here, guys, you guys know I am seriously obsessed with celery. I will also be using this for my juicing. Here I have, this is ginger, by the way. Here I have 3 things of eggs. These are the kind of eggs I typically buy. And then this, I will be making deviled eggs because I'm obsessed with deviled eggs. So I just bought this whole pack to make deviled eggs, and then these 2 like for breakfast or whatever. And then I have some more fruits and veggies. I have some onions, some lemon, this huge ginger I will be using for more juicing or whatever whenever I cook. And then I have these beautiful tomatoes. Look how gorgeous these tomatoes are. More tomatoes, lemon, some mushrooms, some Spanish rice back there, pineapple, water, and then in this drawer I have more dairy. Mozzarella cheese. This is going to be for my grilled cheese that I'm going to make with my sourdough. And then this is also going to be for my grilled cheese for my sourdough. I have lettuce, and then this is going to be for like when I make cheesy grits in the morning, or put cheese in my eggs, or you know, that sort of stuff. I don't know if you guys tried these, but this is the sweet chili and sour cream kettle chips. Freaking fire. Salt and fresh ground pepper chips. These are good too, because I will be making something. Guys, I have all this tea up here. I have a green tea, a stress reliever tea, matcha tea, sweetened iced coffee, throat coat. This is like for sore throats. Regular tea. I have my coffee here, some more tea, rice. Oh my gosh, guys, if you have not tried this, this is so fire. Truffle Alfredo sauce. I'm going to use this to put that in my spinach noodles, my spinach pasta that I showed you guys earlier in the freezer. And then I'm going to add some shrimp. Ooh, it's going to be fire. So guys, right here I also have some peanut butter. This is vegan, non-GMO, also gluten-free. The reason why I get vegan peanut butter is because I don't know if you guys know, but they actually can put rodent hairs inside peanut butter without letting you guys know. I'm going to put the facts on the side of the screen so you guys can see it, but a lot of peanut butter has rodent hairs in it, and I found that super disgusting. So I was like, no way, Jose. So yeah, vegan peanut butter it is. Then I have some angel hair pasta back here, some red taco sauce. Okay, this is funny story. So you guys know I don't eat chicken at all, but I had the flu, so my grandmother postmated some chicken noodle soup, cans of chicken noodle soup to my house, and she forced me to eat it to get better, and I felt better. And then I have some macaroni. And guys, this is the important part of my cabinet. This is my vitamins. So I do take these glowing skin vitamins. This is actually by Oli. And then I also take this Alive Women's Vitamins. It's a multivitamin. And then sometimes on a daily basis, like if I'm feeling like I need to take RN pills, I'll take it. But I'm not going to take it because this has all the vitamins that I need. So I don't want to put too much iron in my body. And then this right here, guys, I don't know if you've seen me using this in my previous video, one of my vlogs, but this is a collagen beauty lemonade. It's actually really disgusting, so I don't suggest you to get it, at least not this flavor. It's a probiotic. It basically helps your collagen in your skin, and then it also helps your hair, skin, and nails grow. Up here, guys, this is all my medicine. I have like Benadryl, all the NyQuil, Z-Quil, all the medicine that you need. And then in this cabinet, I have some grits, some oatmeal, my oils, some yeast, some fish fry stuff, whatever you want to call that, some sugar, some vinegar, some more sugar. This habanero sauce is fire. So I got some buffalo sauce, some oh damn, I forgot to buy pancakes, some syrup, my hot sauces or whatever, and then I have some coconut oil back there. Side of the counter, I have this Italian herb flatbread. It's fire. I'll put it on a gram how I made what I made with this. I had some shrimp, some spinach, some grilled onion, some spicy mayo sauce, some Tabasco sauce on the inside, and then added some mushrooms. Ooh, that's gonna be fire. And then this is the bread that I buy. It's a whole grain bread. It's organic, non-GMO. I love this bread, it's so fire. And this sourdough bread, guys, I'm actually really excited to make that grilled cheese because it's gonna be fire. I'm gonna make my version of the Starbucks grilled cheese with sourdough bread. Okay, so in this cabinet, it's really nothing, okay? But in this cabinet, I do have some ramen noodles. Guys, I will forever eat ramen noodles. I don't care how wealthy I get. Ramen noodles is always the wave. I don't care what nobody says. So I usually eat this if I want to like snack on something right quick or if I'm not as hungry. But ramen noodles is a must. Okay, that's like a must. Put it in the comment section below if you guys still eat ramen noodles. If I'm not eating the ramen noodles, I'm definitely eating the Korean noodles because you guys know I'm obsessed with Korean noodles. I have to have some type of noodle in my house. Yes, guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I finally showed you guys what I keep in my refrigerator when I do go grocery shopping. And yeah, put it in the comment section below of the things that you keep in your fridge, because I really want to know, guys. It's not even funny. Like, I really want to know what's in your fridge. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
This goes out for all the saints. And Courtney, what up?